We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.